Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to play wind bowling. For wind bowling you need 10 paper cups, or you could also use empty water bottles or empty containers. So I chose to use water bottles. You're going to line them up on one side of the table. The second thing you need is either a paper plate or a balloon. If you have a balloon, you're going to fill it up with air, but don't tie it off. When you're ready, you're going to stand on the opposite side of the table, and you're either going to take your paper plate and fan it towards the water bottles or the cups to knock them over. For each one that you knock over, you get a point. If you have the balloon, you can slowly let the air out of your balloon to try to knock down the cups or water bottles as well. Now you get a point for each water bottle or cup that you knock over, and you have 1 minute to do this. If you knock down all your cups or water bottles and you still have time left, hurry up, set them up, and keep going. So you can get more than 10 points. So when you're ready, set your 1 minute timer and then start going.